afternoon. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotters are requested to forward any reports of large hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, or flash flooding to our... Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, western Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles north of Shelby, or near Bellwood, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Hickory, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, Granite Falls, Bethlehem, Ecart, Hildebrand, and Connolly Springs. The storm is capable of blowing down scattered trees and power lines. Brief large hail may also occur. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. If this rotation strengthens, a tornado warning may be issued. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no warning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, and Lincoln. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, western Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles north of Shelby, or near Bellwood, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Hickory, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, Granite Falls, Bethlehem, Ecart, Hildebrand, and Connolly Springs. The storm is capable of blowing down scattered trees and power lines. Brief large hail may also occur. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. If this rotation strengthens, a tornado warning may be issued. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no warning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, and Lincoln. Here is a special weather statement. A cluster of thunderstorms will impact portions of eastern Rutherford, Cleveland, Lawrence, Greenwood, Western Union, Spartanburg, and Cherokee counties until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated the leading edge of a cluster of thunderstorms along a line extending from 10 miles south of Forest City, North Carolina to 9 miles southeast of Abbeville, South Carolina, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Pea-size hail, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, and torrential rainfall rates of up to 3 inches per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Greenwood, Shelby, shelter inside an interior room. A few of these storms may intensify.